Alright y'all, what we got today is I'm getting ready to do a tutorial on a wheel bearing for a Jeep Cherokee Sport 4x2 4.0 liter straight 6. Alright y'all, I'm gonna make this pretty simple for y'all. I'm not gonna, take a lot of time doing it, but I explained what I was gonna do before, but I figured it was only fair that I go ahead and show y'all. That's a new wheel bearing, and that is the situation I'm working on right here with the hub. I'm just moving the camera. There we go. And I'm gonna show you what I just was talking about. Take the screwdriver right here, stick it right in there, just enough so when I turn the hub, it and by the way, if this doesn't have, if it doesn't have any things don't work out for you as far as the hub, don't worry about it, because it don't work out for a lot of people. And this part doesn't fit. This 32 does not fit that they rented. I rented from them. And that sucks. Okay. I wasn't ready for that. Man, that's another trip to the store. Okay, so still working on my wheel bearing here. My hub. Advance Auto. I had to go to Advance Auto, and they rented me a socket set. It's got 32, 30, 34, and 36. Looks like this. AutoZone had rented me a 32, which was too small. So let's find out what size I really need. All you Jeep Cherokee guys, I think it's going to be a 36, but we'll see. There we go. It looks like, I'm sorry, I got the camera. It looks like it's going to be a tight 36. That's a 36, right? Yeah, that's a 36. Okay. Alright, so what I'm going to do is take the hammer, just tap it once, just to make sure it goes on, so I don't waste my time. Yep, that's 36. It's seen its better days. So this set right here cost me $62 to rent it. The other set cost me, for one socket, that $30 to rent it. It came in a little box. I think you saw it earlier. That only cost me like $19, but hold on to your seat, because it's a rental tool. If you lose it, you own it. And also, I wanted to show you this other little tool. This is the tool that you're actually going to take the hub off. And I don't know if you can read it or not, but this is what you're going to take the wheel bearing hub assembly off with. Those 3 bolts. 13. I guess that's metric. 13. You're going to need this. Take the axle nut off. I got the socket up here, and it just turns. I wish I could have used the chisel and done that the first time. I tried. I did not want to go back to the store. That was so discouraging, y'all. Alright, so after you take the caliper off, basically, there ain't nothing to it. You just pull this off. And now we're making a little progress. We're moving and grooving. And you see those 3 bolts that I was telling you about earlier? They're there. So, and got a little bit of rust up along here. So, it could have been what messed up my wheel bearing. So now, I'll grab that bolt. It's right here. I just push it down, and it's coming off. No big deal. See that? This axle will be out of here in a minute. This hub will be out of here in a minute. But I gotta make up some time though, because you know, I had to run back to the store, and I got things to do. So I didn't like that. I don't like having to run back to the store for bullshit. If they tell me what I need the first time, then I'm good. But let's take this. I take the little bar, I tap it down, and it takes those 3 pins out, bolts, excuse me. It's holding the wheel bearing in. Actually the hub assembly. I get my words mixed up all the time. You will have to just try to understand what I'm saying. Alright, here's the last one. I put it up here, find a little comfortable spot. It takes you longer to get the right size socket than it does to do the job. I got other things to do. Believe me. Alright. So, it's the last one. And the wheel bearing. But remember, this little flash plate on the back of the, this little plate right here is going to want to come off. You don't want to forget where that plate is, because it'll cause you a little bit of problem later. Right? Alright. Show you right. You know what Ray Charles said? Alright. Damn. Here it is. Oh, stiff. It smells like smoke. Look at that. It smells dry. Rusted. That's what the smell was right here. It was that. No doubt about it. But we're not going to dwell on that too long. We're not going to stress that. We know what it is. We'll put the other one back in here. New one. Headache. See? New one. Headache. New one. Headache. There it is. There it is. Okay. Alright. Lift it up. Match it up to it. Make sure this piece is going all the way through. Start tightening your bolts. Now we're there. Just gonna tighten up all 3. Got the plate up there now, and everything is smooth step. Pull on it, and do that with all 3 of them. All 3 of them, and then on your way. You want to use Loctite? It's up to you. I didn't use Loctite last time I did it, and it's still tightening down. See, you'll think it's tight, but you better double check all of them, because you'll think it's tight, but it ain't gonna truly be tight until you've done all 3. You know, so like putting your tire on. You ain't gonna tighten 2 bolts, not the rest of them, right? Alright, that should be enough.